the conic. In the curve menu, we find a conic right here. And in the toolbar, we can see that we have two icons for conic. One is conic and perpendicular with the right click. The second one is conic, tangent at start, and tangent start and end. So depending on which conic you want to draw, you can choose one of the two icons. And you can also use the command line to change through the options. So the basic conic just has the start point, has an end point, then the apex point, and then the value of the conic form. And there you go. There's a very nice shape. It's a very clean curve. Now let's see what the tangent option can offer. You want to start by drawing a line, drawing another line, and now I'm going to draw a conic that is tangent to these two lines. So I'm going to start with the right click here so that I can do tangent to this curve from the end, tangent to this curve from the end. Notice it automatically gave me the apex because the two tangent directions meet. And then I can just define the conic shape. And there I have a very nice conic that blends between those two curves. Now let's take a look at the perpendicular option. I'm going to right click so that I can start perpendicular to this curve. And then I also want to end perpendicular, so I add it in the command line to this curve. And then there is the option. Once again, the perpendicular option on both sides gave us the apex. And right here with perpendicular to both curves. Now let's see tangent and perpendicular together. I'm going to draw some polylines here, outlining the shape of a molding, like some crown molding or something. Just going to throw some straight polylines in here, which I'm going to connect later with conics. Very simple series of polylines. Remember, you can hold the shift key while drawing curves or lines to activate the ortho mode. So if you want to make straight lines or lines at specific angles, you can use ortho by pressing the shift key. So here I have the overlying curves here that will define the shape, and then I'll use conics to start drawing shape between these curves. So there's one that is tangent. Now I need perpendicular here, and I need tangent here. There we go. Now I need the same thing over again. I'm going to make it perpendicular to here and perpendicular to here. And continue. Perpendicular, perpendicular. This time we got perpendicular, tangent here, and perpendicular here. Tangent, tangent, and finally another tangent and tangent.